Hello student, are you ready? I am going to teach you next chapter electrical resistance and Ohm's law. In this first heading, electric current. Do you know that in earlier classes also the rate of flow of charge in an electric circuit measure electric current in that circuit. If Q charge flows in a circuit in time t, then the electric current in the circuit q I equal to q upon t. For metallic conductor, q equal to n, where n is a number of free electron and is the charge on electron. If I equal to 1 ampere, then I 1 equal to n by t into E value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. N by t 6.25, 1 upon 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, 6.25 into 10 power 18 electron per second, means 1 ampere current is equivalent to 6.25 into 10 power 18 electron per second. SI unit of electric current is ampere, that is denoted by capital A. Electric current is a scalar quantity. Now come on current density. It is characteristic property of a point inside a conductor. The current flowing through unit cross section area drawn through that point perpendicular to the direction of flow of current known as a current density. It is denoted by J equal to I by A. It is a vector quantity. SI unit ampere per meter square, where I the total current distributed through a point and A the area of the point. Dimension of current density A L power minus 2. I equal to scalar product of current density and area vector J dot vector A, where vector A the area of that point, J A cos theta or J equal to I upon A cos theta. Now come on, next heading, mean free path relaxation time and drift velocity. Relaxation time, mean free path, the average distance moved by the free electron between the two successive collisions so is called mean free path. When electron moved freely, the time taken between this collision and this collision, between the two first and second collision, electron move here from here, and this first collision, this second collision, the average distance between the two successive collisions is known as mean free path. And relaxation time, the average time interval between two successive collisions is called relaxation time, denoted by tau. Time is denoted by tau. Drift velocity. This is a conductor. When we applied electric field are connected to the battery, means that potential difference applied, V, this plus this minus. Electric field always from positive to negative direction. Electric field directed this. Electron start to drift with Vd. Electron opposite to the direction of the electric field, because force acting on negative charge opposite to the direction of the this. Now, when an electric field applied in a conductor, a force on each electron acts in opposite to the direction of the electric field. The electron gets biased in their random motion in favor of the force on each electron. When electric field applied in a conductor, a force acts on each electron in direction opposite to the electric field. The electron gets biased. The electron gets biased in their random motion. In their random motion in favor of the force. In favor of force. The force on each electron. The force on each electron, that F equal to E. If M is mass of electron, then electron isolate opposite to the direction of electric field with isolation A. Therefore, A E by M. Where is the electric field? Equal to, you may write V by L, distance, equal to V by L, potential difference into distance. Means in the absence of electric field, electron in random motion, they cannot cross from one end to another end, because during the collision from which they free positive ion, they lost their energy and they cannot flow a single direction. Average random velocity always 0. But when electric field apply in a conductor, along a conductor, you can say a force act on each electron in direction opposite to the electric field. The electron gets biased in their random motion in favor of the force. The force on each electron is this here. The potential difference of battery does not provide isolated motion to the electron, but simply gives them drift that small average velocity known as drift velocity. the potential difference of battery does not provide isolated and rated motion to the electron but simply gives them drift that is a small constant velocity that is small constant velocity in order of few millimeter per second. That average small, you may write here average small constant velocity in order of few millimeter per second along the length of the wire, is called deep velocity of electron, is called drift velocity of electron. Now all of you write down this. Write this definition. After this, derivation of drift velocity.